Right now, I'm at Singapore Central Mall. What? Okay, this is my friend. Together with me. Oh, it's so dark. Shine a bit light. There's no light. Hey, I'm waiting for my picture to be on top. And by the way, they are having some kind of party over there.
Not a party, it's a club.
No, it's a club.
It's a pub.
A party in the club. Yeah.
It's not a party, it's a pub.
Okay, it's a pub.
There's music playing in the pub.
Yeah. Well, picture will be uploaded on YouTube once I got a photo or footage. Yeah, that's my photo! Do you see it? That's me! Oh, gone.
You're gone.
And I'm gone. Done. It's only 10 seconds.
This is your 10 seconds of fame. 10 seconds of fame.